Hi everyone! Right now I'm preparing my lunch, and what I'm having today is a pork gyro or Greek pork wrap. Heat the pan and add some olive oil. Make sure the oil is spread all over the pan, and once it's heated, you can add the pita bread. You can cook each side for 1 minute. While waiting for the pita bread to heat up, I'm gonna prepare some Caesar salad as my side. Back to the pita bread, you need to flip it so you can cook it on the other side. Set aside the lettuce. Then you can add some croutons and some Parmesan cheese. And you can add some Caesar dressing if you like it. Sprinkle some oregano on the pita bread, and you can add some salt too if you want, but I prefer not to since the meat is already salty. In this recipe, I'll be using a leftover pork that was marinated already, and I'm just cutting into thin slices. Add some grated cheese and melt it. Now we're ready to assemble our wrap. You can add some beef, pork, chicken, lamb, or any kind of meat you want to add. But I only have pork left, so I'm only adding like a size of a matchbox. But before I add my pork, I'm just heating it up so it's warm. Now you can add pork on the wrap, some cheese. You can also add some lettuce or some other vegetable like onion, bell pepper, whatever you prefer. Then you can add some tzatziki sauce. In this recipe, I'll just make it plain. Then you can wrap it in a parchment paper, or you can just add a toothpick to put them together so it will not open up. And this is how it looks. Feel free to add some cilantro or any spices you want. You can dip this in a tzatziki sauce if you want. And then I'm adding more cheese on my salad. And my lunch is ready. I also prepare another set of lunch. It has different sides, so it's up to you however you want to prepare your pork wrap. Thank you again for joining me today. I wish you a happy day. If you like this video, please comment down below and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Have a good day.